What's a going goodies? Welcome back to your girl channel. You don't know, today I'm going to be making some delicious authentic Jamaican oxtail, but I'll be making some Cajun oxtail. Yeah man. So here I have my oxtail well seasoned. I have this marinating overnight in the fridge. So I'm just gonna go over the seasoning that I used. So I've used some garlic plus seasoning, and I also went in with my Cajun seasoning, of course. I also used some chicken seasoning and my smoked paprika. So the chicken seasoning that I use is the Cool Runnings chicken seasoning. I also went in with some Maggi chicken seasoning. Yes, I used two chicken season, different flavor. And I also went in with some black pepper, just a pinch of black pepper. I also went in with my browning, and I just rub this in and season it. So goodies, here you can see I have it in my instant pot. I'm going to pressure cook this for 30 minutes. I'm just adding about 2 inches of crushed ginger. So after 30 minutes, my oxtail is nice and soft, but I'm going to finish off on the stove top. So what I do, I just transfer it to a pot, and I'm adding some brown sugar just to balance the taste, about half tablespoon. I'm also adding some ketchup, about 2 to 3 tablespoons of ketchup. And then you have the brown sugar for the sweetness, the ketchup for the tanginess, just to balance back your flavor. I'm just going to spin this up, and I'm going to cover it down and leave it to cook some more and for the water to go down. So after the water go down, I am going to go in and add some more seasoning. So I'm adding the Maggi cube. I've also added some more water because I want it to be falling off the bone, and it wasn't falling off the bone. Because it's my Cajun oxtail, I'm now going to top up with some more Cajun seasoning. Yes, and that's going to be awesome and delicious. Just stir that in. Just gonna cover it down again. We still have more stuff to add to it later on, but for now, that's it. All right, so as you can see now, the gravy look nice and thick. You can see all the color change and everything. All right, so what we're gonna do now, we're gonna add our vegetables. So I have some onions, some carrots, and some bell pepper. You can add hot pepper if you want. I also add some green onions to this. So I'm just gonna spin this up now and just give it about 10 more minutes just for that seasoning to go down. I would have added some thyme, but I don't have any thyme. So if you have time, just go ahead and add some thyme. As I'm saying, hot pepper, whatever you want to put in it, you can do that. So after about 10 minutes now, goodies, look at this, nice and soft. Look at the color, beautiful. Lord, pair this now with your rice and peas or whatever you want to eat the oxtail with. Leave me a comment in the comment section, goodies. Let me know what you think about this recipe. Remember, if you're new here, to subscribe to the channel. Okay, subscribe to the channel, turn on your post notification bell so you don't miss any of your girl uploads. You can know how soft it is because, as you can see, some of the meat is already falling off in the pot. Look at that. Yeah man, thank you all for watching. Until next time, walk good and God bless you.